It's another epic buybacking. Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. Selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne. In Australia, we've got a veritable tower of treasure.
And that's not all of it.
No, it's not all of it.
It's more out the back.
Yeah, sneaky one down there as well.
We're worried about stressing out our incredibly expensive display table.
I can hear it already as we speak. What is this?
This is a buyback that we did very recently.
Yep.
So somebody brought in a nice selection of a good vintage year, 2016.
Oh, a great vintage, that one. Oh, yes, the 2016.
Yes. So it's obviously, for those that would recognise the boxes, it's a mixture of maples and kangaroos.
I love a maple box.
Yeah,
that's a beautiful yellow box right there. Yeah, and of course the maples, and they are sealed boxes too.
They're kangaroos, but yeah.
They're the kangaroos. The kangaroos are sealed boxes. That's a sealed box, and we just opened this box recently. Yes. So we're doing it off camera because they don't trust me with a knife anymore. I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah. My hands don't have all the scars to prove it. Not even your hands, but my hands. That's even worse. All right, let's have a quick
look inside. See what the quality's like.
Yep.
Way better.
Why not?
The presentation is not quality, I suppose. They're all 4.9s.
Yeah, of course.
If we put them on the XRF.
That's right. Of course they are. But we just wanted to show you the kind of stuff that we buy back, and if you're watching this, these are going to be available for purchase on the website.
They are, and they are.
Oh, they're in stunning condition.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We might have to open another couple of tubes just to make sure.
Oh, mate, they're great. Oh, you can't go wrong. Look at that.
Bear in mind, if you are buying these, they are buybacks.
Yes.
So I'm not guaranteeing that, one of them doesn't have a thumbprint in the middle of it or something dopey like that. We just happened to jag the only tube that was good.
Yep, of course.
But this tube seems exactly the same too.
Yep,
so
fair enough.
You can see there, they're coming out Mickey Mouse.
Yeah. That is grand. Okay. Brilliant. All right. And do you just want to quickly show that box, that pre-opened box down there? That would be lovely. Thank you.
The kangaroos.
Yes, please.
Yeah,
why not? Now, we will be selling these slightly individually, so...
individually?
So, I mean, sorry, let me start that again. They'll be sold individually as you can buy just one coin. I meant the two different boxes, the two different types. So I think we're going to have a separate, now you know what I mean.
So there's a separate SKU or listing for maples?
Listing, and for maples there'll be like a random date maple, something like that. And I think we're just going to put this under our usual buyback 1 ounce silver section. Yeah,
I think that's a good idea.
But we'll know that... you're going to get kangaroos if you buy within a certain time frame.
Now, this is still sealed. I haven't just picked out a special one.
Yep.
So it is still sealed. I'll have to open it.
Right. And we've got as you would call it, a U-Butte special price.
That's right.
For both of them. But you'll see that in the listings, and I'll put a link in the info section of the YouTube page as part of the pinned comment.
I reckon...
That's a good...
Yeah, I reckon these 2,000... Honestly, I think that Perth Mint must have changed their procedures somehow, because the 21s and the looks like the 22s are coming out with that kind of milky finish to them.
They do, yeah.
Whereas these earlier ones just don't seem to have it.
Well, the 2016 is the first full year of production, as far as I'm aware, because they came out in 2015, and a more limited run in 2015. And some are suggesting, not all, but some are suggesting that if you can get your hands on the 2015 in particular. That's a slight, the tiniest slight little extra collector thing. Not really properly, but...
I still don't know if I agree with that one.
Well, it was just a more limited vintage that year. Cool.
I don't know. I understand the argument, and probably more for overseas guys than for Australians, because these are very much the...
commonplace?
The maple of Australia, or the eagle of Australia, if you like.
Yep, sure.
Flaming things sticking to me. So they're very common. So maybe it's more of an overseasy thing.
Yep, fair enough.
But look. Anyway, besides the point, these are 2016s, and they're in. Certainly, the ones we've opened randomly are in remarkable condition.
Yep.
So
fantastic. All right. So that's it. You watched an epic buybacking. These are going to be listed as buyback 1 ounce silver, so they won't specifically say kangaroos, but we know that anyone buying between X day and X day, you're going to get these kangaroos.
Yep.
And the random date maples, there happen to be 2016s. What else do they need to know?
That's it for now.
All right, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Head over to bullionnow.com.au. And as always, that's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.